The family paramyxoviridae contains important pathogenes of infants and children, responsible for a major part of acute respiratory infections, respiratory syncytial virus and parainfluenza viruses, and also for two of the most contagious diseases of childhood, measles and mumps. Though much less common, infections may also occur in adults. Paramyxoviruses resemble orthomyxoviruses in morphology, but are larger and more pleomorphic. They are roughly spherical in shape and range in size from 100 nm to 300 nm, sometimes with long filaments and giant forms of up to 800 nm. The helical nucleocapsid is much wider than in orthomyxoviruses, with a diameter of 18 nm, except in the pneumovirus, where it is 13 nm. The genome is a molecule of linear, single-stranded RNA. Unlike orthomyxoviruses, in which the segmented nature of the genome facilitates genomic reassortment and antigenic variation, so typical of influenza viruses, the paramyxoviruses, with their unsegmented genome, do not undergo genetic recombination or antigenic variation. Hence, all paramyxoviruses are antigenically stable. Antigenic structure. The nucleocapsid is surrounded by a lipid envelope, which has the matrix, M protein at its base, and two types of transmembrane glycoprotein spikes at the surface. The longer spike is hemagglutinin, H, which may also possess neuraminidase, N activity, and is hence known as the H or HN protein. It is responsible for adsorption of the virus to the host cell surface. The second spike is the F fusion protein, responsible for fusion of the viral envelope with the plasma membrane of the host cell, which is the essential early step for infection. It also brings about cell-to-cell fusion, causing large giant cells or syncytia, which are characteristic of paramyxovirus infections. The F protein also mediates the hemolytic activity of paramyxoviruses. Classification. The family Paramyxoviridae is divided into four genera: rubella-virus, mumps virus, parainfluenza virus, parainfluenza types 1-4, pneumovirus, respiratory syncytial virus, morbillivirus, measles virus.